Hey friends, this is Atif from Well. Today I'm going to share my price analysis on Venus token with you, and we can see that at the first week of January, the price line of Venus was at $3 approximately, and now it has spiked even beyond $100. So this token has surged more than 3,000%, and now we can see that it has found a very strong resistance at $100. This is the small time period 4-hour chart, and here we can see that it has formed this uptrend line. This is the short-term market structure for the Venus token, and here the price line has also found this resistance at $100 as well. And if the price line will be moving between this support and resistance level, then it will form a perfect ascending triangle. At this time, we can see that we have a complete open alligator mouth formation by the simple moving averages. Below the price action, we have the smallest time period moving average 25 above all, then we have the 50, then we have 100, then we have the biggest time period moving average 200 below all other moving averages. That is really very strong bullish signal. And we can also see that the price action is also using the 25 simple moving average as a support, and here the 50 simple moving average is moving with the support of this uptrend line. And here the price line also completed the formation of a bullish cipher, entered in this potential reversal zone and turned bullish. If I place this pattern tool here, then we can see that it was the formation of a cipher, and this was the potential reversal zone. Here we have a little bit difference because the A to B leg should be retraced at least up to 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and here it has retraced up to 0.306 Fibonacci. I would like to explain this move for the people who don't know about the Fibonacci retracement. I want to say that after this move, the price action should be moved down at least up to 38.2% of this move, but it has retraced or moved down 30.6%, and the difference is very small, and we can see that all the legs are driven perfectly as required for the bullish cipher. Here we needed the retracement of this final leg between 0.618, that is 61.8% correction of this X to C leg from 0.786 Fibonacci, that is the 78.6% of X to C leg correction, and we can see that it has retraced up to 0.744, that is 74.4% correction, and this was the perfect potential reversal zone. And we also had here this uptrend line support and this 50 simple moving average support as well on this small time period 4-hour chart, and the price action perfectly moved up from this potential reversal zone of the bullish cipher. I would never miss this trade, but I could not keep an eye on this move of the Venus token, and it is moved up from this potential reversal zone because this was a very small time period chart and the move was very fast. And I have a lot of other assets as well that I am sharing the ideas about those assets. At this time, the Reef token on the daily time frame chart, not on the small time period 4-hour, this is on the daily time frame, it has completed such bullish cipher move, and I have also shared the complete buying and sell targets at my Patreon. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then you can also find the link I have shared in the video's description, and you can also find a lot more other harmonic trading ideas there on the daily basis. And you can catch the Reef move at this time. It has entered in this potential reversal zone. Now, you can see that here the price line is moving up by using these supports of 50 simple moving averages and this uptrend line support and the potential reversal zone of this bullish cipher as well. And it is moving up towards this 100 resistance level. Now, I would like to show you the exponential moving averages. Here we can see that the price line, in the meanwhile, it was moving up from here by using these supports. It was also retesting the EMA 21 as a support, and after retesting, it is moved up from here. And we can see that since long time, it has been using the EMA 10 and 21. You can see here from the month of January, it is using on the 4-hour time frame chart the EMA 10 and 21 as a good support, and after every retest, it is starting the next bullish rally to the upside. At this time, the price line after the mid of Feb, it has retested this the EM at 21 as a support and moved up. Maybe it will start the next bullish rally from here. But if I switch to the small time period 1 hour chart now, here we can see that the price line formed this down channel after this rally beyond that was beyond $100. It has formed this down channel, and finally here the price line has broken out this resistance of the channel. Now the perfect buying time can be if it is likely to move down from here, and if it will be moved down up to this previous resistance of the channel and use it as a support, retest it as a support. That can be the perfect buying time. Or otherwise, if the price line will move up and it will break out the next resistance of $100. After breaking out the $100 resistance level, we can also have another very, very good buying opportunity at that level as well. At this time, I'm expecting that it will move down and retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support. That can be a really, very good buying opportunity at this level. And we can see at this, we have this previous resistance of the channel. If it will be moved in this angle here, it will retest it somewhere between $72 to $73. And if I switch back to this chart, then we can see that we have this support at approximately at the same level where we have this previous resistance of the channel. And if we dig this move more deeper, then we can see that here the price line has also found a very, very good resistance level at $95, and the price action is being rejected again and again by this resistance level, and then we have the final resistance at $100, and after breaking out the $100, the price action can start a very, very powerful rally to the upside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.